Hi, this is Manish Pandey. Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to create your first GitHub repository. But before that, I will show you what is GitHub and how to create an account. What is GitHub? GitHub is a web-based platform where developers and teams can store, manage, and collaborate on their projects using Git version control system. It is a place where you can store projects, keep track of the changes, and work with the other people on the same project. Let me show you how to create an account in GitHub. So this is GitHub website. You have to enter github.com and then this page will be appeared. Now to create an account, we have here two options. Either you can put the email address here and then click on sign up. Second, you have this sign up button. You need to enter the email ID which you are going to use to sign up for the GitHub. Okay, let me copy this. Click on sign up. Okay, so welcome to GitHub. Let's begin the adventure. Okay, it has already taken this email ID from the previous screen and now you can see the green button. So green button shows that this email ID is valid and ready to use that. Click continue. And now here we need to set a password. So let me enter the password here. Try to make a strong password here. Okay, now it shows that password is strong. Let me click continue. Here we need to choose a username. So let me put here UiPath RPA, and it seems like UiPath RPA is not available. So I will put like this UiPath underscore RPA. So let me, so this is also not available. So I will do one thing. I will put a different name UiPath RPA hyphen GIT, and let's see. So it shows that UiPath RPA hyphen GIT is available. So this is ready to use. Now click on continue. I'm not going to check this. So click on continue. And now we have to verify our account. So just wait for a few seconds. Okay. So please solve this puzzle so we know you are a real person. Okay. So we just need to verify this account by just solving the puzzles. Let me click on verify that and quickly I will solve that and then we'll reach to the next step. Okay. Now we have one code received in our email ID. So let me go to this Gmail. And you can see here I just now received this email, that is the launch code. Let me copy this and go to this verify page and paste here, and automatically it will redirect to the next step. And then here we just need to give some information here, like who is going to access that, how many team members will be there. So you can see how many team members will be working with you. So it is just me for now. Are you a student or teacher? So I will say I am a student. Click continue. Click on continue. So I'm not going to take the benefit for now. I will just go with the free. So scroll down, click on continue for free. We have a skip also option. So now we are on the dashboard page. You can see here left side we can see create repository. Now what is repository? Let me show you. Repository, in short form we can say repo, is like a folder or a storage where you keep all the files and folders related to a project. A repository usually groups together items that belongs to the same project or thing you are working on. Let me show you how to create a repository and what is the best practice of creating a repository. So you can see here we have a button to create a repository. Now there are other way also. The first is this. Second, you can see here in the center of this page. Third, you can click on this icon and then go to this your repository or your profile. You will get, and then you will get option here, this repository, and then click on new, and then you will be able to create a new repository. Now let me go back to the home page. Now we'll just scroll down a little bit here in the between, and then you can see here we can enter the repository name and then we can create a new repository. Now what is the best practice of creating a repository in the GitHub? First, the naming convention. The naming convention for your repository depends on various factors, including the nature of the project, your organization's naming conventions that your company follows, and the personal preferences. Always choose the meaningful name of your repository and make sure the name accurately reflects the purpose or the focus of the project. You can create multiple repositories here based on your requirement and based on your projects. Let me put here name. Try to use lowercase letters and hyphens or underscore to separate the words. So let me put here, let's say I'm going to say UiPath underscore. So I'm going to put a space. So instead of putting a space here, I'm going to put here hyphen, this underscore. If you are not putting any underscore hyphen and you will just put a space here and then anything, so what will happen? Automatically, this space will be filled by hyphen. You can see it will be created like this UiPath hyphen D. So better I can use like hyphen D or underscore. So I'm going to put a name here UiPath underscore first GitHub repo. Okay, or you can put like first GitHub repo, just like this, right? So this is my first repository name that I am going to create. Now here we have two options, that we have public and private. If you want to keep this repository private, then you can select this. Otherwise, if you want this repository to be accessible by public also, so you can click on this public. Now I'm going to select this public and create new repository. And you can see here the repository has been created here now. And you can see this URL that is important. I will show you in the next video. Thank you for now.